Are you looking to learn how to trade for income? Or maybe you're already trading, but you're not getting the results that you'd like? There's no better way at practicing than using a paper account. And Cressivo is launching a brand new competition kicking off September 1st. It's called the Cressivo Cup, and it's a paper trading competition. Most important, not a dollar of your real money is at risk. You get to learn strategies without risking your own capital. Kicking off September 1, running for 3 months, and finishing on November 30th. Now, each contestant starts with a $100,000 paper account and no do-overs. The winner is determined by the most amount of realized gain. Winners must finish with at least $80,000 in account value as well. The competition is focusing on the strategies taught on this channel, which is realized gains, and not at the expense of blowing up your account. The full rules are written online. Now, you're probably wondering, how much does it cost? Now, each contestant puts $100 into the prize pool per person. If you're already a subscriber on the Cressivo Pro software, great. There's no extra money involved. If you're not a subscriber yet, you need the software in order to use the paper account and also all the other tools that go along with it. Now, the software is typically $99 a month, but there's a discount for this program where you only pay $100, and that gives you access for the entire length of the competition. And better than that, if you start sooner, you get that extra time for free. Now, here's what you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn how to sell a put. You're gonna learn how to take assignment on the shares. You're gonna learn how to sell a covered call after you buy the shares, and you're gonna learn how to sell another put if the stock drops more. It's all in a paper environment, none of your own money at risk, learning alongside other people in the group, and we have a weekly live session where I'm there personally every Saturday, 10 o'clock Pacific. If you're brand new at trading, or even if you've been trading for a while, but you want to sharpen your skills, there is no better opportunity than the Cressivo Cup. Registration is open through August 30th. The link's in the description below. See you on the inside.